Thank you, Honourable Deputy Speaker. I rise to respond to question 188-204 to provide an update on the strategic initiatives undertaken by Fiji Airways, particularly through the establishment of the Fiji Aviation Academy. This academy is not only an infrastructure investment, it is a testament to a national airline's commitment to self-reliance, operational excellence, and sustainable financial management. In an increasingly competitive global aviation market, the ability to manage costs while maintaining high standards of training and safety is paramount. The Fiji Aviation Academy embodies this vision by providing a robust solution to the airline's pilot training needs, yielding significant financial and operational benefits. At the heart of the Fiji Aviation Academy's success lies a meticulously crafted strategy aimed at achieving self-sufficiency in pilot training. This approach has enabled the airline to realize substantial cost savings amounting to over $10 million or Fiji $22.7 million annually. Allow me to elaborate more on the matter. One of the most significant advantages of the Academy is its ability to conduct all necessary training internally. This includes initial type ratings, common type ratings, recurrent training, remedial training, and license conversion. By eliminating the need to outsource this training activities to third-party providers, Fiji Airways has avoided substantial fees that would otherwise be paid to external training centers. This move ensures that every dollar invested in training remains within the company, contributing directly to its financial stability. Traditionally, pilots were required to travel to international training locations such as Singapore, Hong Kong, Honolulu, Brisbane, Seattle, and Bangkok. These are only incurred training fees, but also significant costs related to accommodation and subsistence. With the establishment of the Fiji Aviation Academy, these costs have been entirely eliminated. Pilots can now undergo all necessary training within the country, reducing the financial burden associated with overseas travel. Beyond accommodation and subsistence, the cost with onward travel to these international locations were also considerable. The Academy has effectively eradicated these expenses, further contributing to impressive annual savings achieved by Fiji Airways. While the financial savings achieved through the Fiji Airways are significant, the benefits extend far beyond cost reduction. The Academy has also introduced a range of operational efficiencies that are driving the airline's success on multiple fronts. The Academy has also had a profound impact on pilot productivity. Previously, pilots were required to travel long distances to attend simulator training, which resulted in loss of duty days and additional rest periods. In conclusion, the Fiji Aviation Academy represents a bold and forward-thinking investment in the future of our national airline. The financial savings and operational efficiencies realized through this initiative are a testament to the strategic vision and leadership that guide Fiji Airways. But beyond the numbers, the Academy symbolizes something greater. It embodies a collective commitment to building a resilient and self-sufficient airline that can weather the challenges of a dynamic industry. It underscores the importance of innovation, not just as a means of survival, but as a driver of progress and excellence. Let this be a reminder to us all that with the right strategy, we can transform challenges into opportunities and pave the way for a brighter, more prosperous future for Fiji Airways and the nation as a whole. Thank you, Honourable Deputy Speaker.
Thank you very much, Honourable Gavoka.